Now let's solve the Natas level 14. First of all, let's log in with the credentials. On logging in, we can see that this page has popped up. Here we have a username field and a password field. So basically, we have to find the username and password to log in. As we do not have any other hint, let's move on to check the source code. In the source code, here we can see that a MySQL connector has been used. MySQL is a relational database management system. Basically, it stores data in the tables. Further, we can see that a query which is select from users where username is equals to and password is equals to is used. This is a standard query for MySQL. Here we can see that if the result of the MySQL query returns more than 0 rows, that is if it returns some rows, then the password for Natas 15 is shown to us. As we saw in the Natas level 10 that we manipulated the grep command to get our password. Similarly, here we will manipulate the SQL query to get the password. So the data of the users table is returned if this where condition returns true. So we will use this property and we will use an OR operator. An OR operator will return true even if one of the surrounding clauses return true. So we will put some condition which is every time true, like 1 equals to 1. We will put the OR condition in the username field. First of all, we will put a quotation mark to cover the quotation of the username. Then we will write the OR and we will put the condition 1 equals to 1 to login. Then we will give two hyphens, a space and a hyphen to comment out the rest of the query, and we will leave the password field empty as it is commented out. Even if we will write anything, it won't affect the output. Let's log in. On logging in, we can see that the password for Natas 15 is shown to us.